identify the implementing 5 disciplines of learning organization and contribution to Attack Malacca achievement. Introduction. Today, the education organization should be more flexible, responsive, and capable of adapting the change in order to ensure its survival. Organization need to adapt the concept of learning organization with new way of conducting business in order to survive in turbulent and high competitive market. Singe 1990. The learning organization approach allows the human resources synergies to deal with the challenges. Globalization and technological change have been known as a challenging element with which an organization has to deal. The success of organization survival chain is measured by its capacity to become a strong learning organization in which the learning of every individual sustains. A part of globalization and technological change, the Malaysian education system should be faced with the demands which aim to improve the quality and standard of education system through continuous effort. Therefore, the education institution have to change and adapt to their surroundings and develop the capacity of the institute and every individual as to manage change and further development of country. In transforming Attack Malacca into strong learning organization, there are several principles which can implement by the director as a human resource management manager, including personal money, mental model, share vision, team learning, and system thinking. Background of study. The purpose of this study is to identify the implementing 5 disciplines of learning organization and the contribution to achievement of Attack Malacca. Attack Malacca training covers 70% of practical work and the rest is the theory knowledge. The main business of Attack Malacca is to provide formal technical training for SPM and SKM holders. Attack Malacca offers diploma level in 5 areas. The courses are Production Engineering Technology, Mechatronic Engineering Technology, Telecommunication Engineering Technology, Computer Engineering Technology, and Automotive Engineering Technology. Learning organization. The 5 principles of human resource strategy. Brown and Burney state learning organization as a multi-level concept including behavior, teamwork, and organization, wide practice, and culture. The learning organization objectives are to increase individual learning, redefine organization structure, culture, mental model, and encourage the participation of members. The role of institution director is important to transforming their institution into the better learning organization. The director must have solid commitment to lecturers' continuous learning by giving them opportunities to develop their personal and professional work, a collaboration learning culture, embracing of collective vision, and forming a committed team dedicated to achieving institution. 5 disciplines that organization learning required are personal mastery, mental model, share vision, team learning, and system thinking. Methodology. This study used qualitative methodology to collect information from the director of Attack Malacca. The research instrument used was interviewing the Attack Malacca director to identify how the 5 disciplines of learning organization implement at Attack Malacca and the relationship with Attack achievement. Finding. Discipline 1. Personal mastery. The director of Attack Malacca said their new lecturer had a personality and interest test done by JPA before they go to induction course. that conducted by JPA. They also need to attend the induction course and pedagogy to ensure they are ready for teaching the trainers at EdTech Melaka. Discipline 2 mental model. The director said that EdTech Melaka has a no discipline problem, and he will investigate if the lecturer has a problem and will discuss with them to solve the problem. He also said if they need the counseling, they can go to see the counselor. EdTech Melaka has a reward system for their lecturer and staff. Every month they will have monthly meeting with lecturer and staff. So we will announce and give them an appreciation certificate, and they will be recommended for excellent service award. Discipline 3 share vision. The director said everyone at EdTech Melaka must know the vision and mission. EdTech Melaka vision is very clear, and he wants EdTech Melaka to be excellent in competitive manpower development. And our mission is to produce competitive manpower in the organization and to create organization excellence in manpower development. Discipline 4 team learning. The director said that EdTech Melaka has key performance indicator or KPI. Every department should have their project team, and they also can have a collaboration with other departments for their project, so that they can share their ideas, skill and knowledge. These activities help them in critical thinking and problem solving process. We also implement a mentor-mentee system so that senior lecturers can share their experience and transfer their knowledge to the newcomer. Discipline 5 system thinking. The director said that if he has problem with institute, he will have meeting with his timbalan pengarah, ketua jabatan and ketua bahagian. So we will discuss on the solution, and they should participate in decision making to solve the problem more effectively. He also said the institute has mentor-mentee for new lecturer. Discussion. According to the interview of this study, the finding is the director implementing 5 disciplines of organization in his institute, EdTech Melaka. The 5 disciplines are personal mastery, mental model, building share vision, team learning and system thinking. He said the achievement because they work together and teamwork is very important. He said there are many achievements that we are achieved. 2020 Naib Johan Pertandingan Inovasi Hijau. 2019 Champion National Robot Challenge. Strategic collaboration with Polytechnic Melaka. Memorandum of Understanding with Nagaoka National Institute of Technology. And 2018 Malaysian representation of ASEAN Skill Competition Bangkok, Champion National Robot Challenge and Automotive Center of Excellence, and 2017 Champion National Robot Challenge. Conclusion. According to the interview finding of the study, we can conclude that EdTech Melaka director implemented the 5 disciplines of learning organization in his leadership. The learning organization management approached the success of EdTech Melaka as a technical institution. The director is also concerned with the lecturer professional development skill, teamwork, discipline, vision, problem-solving decision, reward system, and mentor-mentee system. With the director supporting and supervising, increasing the lecturer motivation and commitment in order to achieve the institute achievement and goals. The positive working environment is very important in the organization, and this supported by Samia. Thus, the practicing the 5 disciplines of learning organization related to the EdTech Melaka achievement as an excellent technical institute.